Do you use a 20-ounce electric caulk gun? If so, here's something that you might not know. Milwaukee Tool and Albion Engineering both sell nearly identical 20-ounce caulk guns, except for one major difference. The piston assembly is completely different. Milwaukee uses a very simple plastic piston with a metal backing cup that is secured by a single machine screw at the top. Albion also uses a plastic piston with a metal backing cup, but they secure it with a threaded rod, locking nuts, and reinforcing collar to help stabilize the piston on the rack. Now for most people, this is a non-issue, as the Milwaukee costs about $70 less than the Albion, and if the piston breaks, it's inexpensive to fix. Our first 12-volt gun was the Milwaukee shown in this video, and it has been used very hard for a long time. The real difference between these units is seen when you look at the piston position in the barrel once a sausage has been fully dispensed. The Milwaukee does not reach the end of the barrel, where the Albion does. I verified by weight, and the Milwaukee leaves nearly 5% more waste in the foil pack than the Albion. Now you may be saying to yourself, that really doesn't sound like that big a difference. So to put that into a better perspective, open up a case of caulk, grab the first sausage in the box, and throw it in the trash. That is the amount of waste per case that the Milwaukee piston design creates. Look at the unit price for your sealant and start looking at how much that tool design could cost you. If we lost 5% of every sausage we've put down so far this year, it would be somewhere around $5,000 to $6,000, and that is not worth saving $70 on the tool. I feel like I need to point out that we are a specialty contractor, and our primary specialty is sealant replacement. If you're like an exterior home remodeler or a plumber or a handyman and you just prefer to use an electric gun over a manual gun, there is absolutely no problem with the Milwaukee, and 5% waste probably won't equate to that much. But when you're putting down tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of units of sealant every year, it can add up to a pretty big savings just by paying $70 more for a tool. And as per usual, I would like to point out that this video has not been sponsored, and the opinions expressed are my own. Here at JS Garay, we strive to constantly increase our knowledge base and, when possible, share that knowledge for the betterment of our industry. We are active members of the Sealant Waterproofing and Restoration Institute, where we meet twice a year with hundreds of fellow members that include contractors, manufacturers, and associates. At our technical meetings, we openly share best practices to improve our industry so that we can all provide the best services and products possible. That is where I drew the inspiration to create this video. To learn more about the SWR Institute, please visit their website, swronline.org. And to learn more about JS Garay and the services we offer, visit jsgaray.com. Thanks for watching.